Hello, this is how to access your Certiport certifications and download them so that you can share them with the world. So you're going to want to go to certiport.com, go to login/register, type in your email and username, or if you want to use Clever or any other way of logging in, that will work too. After you have that in, you're going to want to log in, and it'll take you there. Here at the My Certiport tab, you can see all of the tests that you've already taken in each section. The My Transcript tab, now that's gonna be how you access the certifications you know you already have and how to download them. Shows the ones you've passed, certifications you have, all here. You can go to the PDFs, you can download them here. For each one. And then you can show that you're career ready for the world.